How's it going, everyone? It's NJT Track Guy. I'm here once again for another World Trade Center update. So for right now, current progress on One World Trade Center, the construction workers are working on the parapet. Supposedly One World Trade Center is topped out right now also. And they're just finishing up the parapet steel. Right here on 4 World Trade Center. 4 World Trade Center, of course, was topped out weeks ago. So we have more glass working its way up on the upper floors, as you can see right there. And right now they're just finishing up the bulkhead steel all the way at the top there. Also, more internal things are being done in terms of concrete and ventilation, wiring, all those types of things for right now. If you look right there, you can see the corner splice is connected. The 4 corners are complete. And the glass is continuing to inch its way up. So right here is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Looks like we got a lot of people out here today. Today is August 18th, 2012. And I'm going to bring you the progress as of now. Let's go around the entire site, as usual, and get more information on each tower. Here is a straightforward look at 4 World Trade Center. So 4 World Trade Center is mainly right now continuing the bulkhead steel and the glass. Fireproofing and concrete will also be added. I'm now standing at South End Avenue and Liberty Street. Once again, here's another angle of One World Trade Center. You can see the parapet steel being worked on right there. Right here is 4 World Trade Center. Workers are now finishing up the bulkhead. And there's that glass again, continuing to work its way up. A lot of progress has been made here. Alright, I'm going to keep moving for some more angles of 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Then I'll eventually get to 2 and 3. Okay, I just walked further down Liberty Street, and look at all this progress we're seeing here on Tower 3. A lot of steel is going up in the front of Tower 3 now. However, due to the lack of tenants for Tower 3 and 2, Tower 3 is going to be held at the 8th floor for now, which is the podium section. The tower section is still on hold. And Tower 2 is going to be held at street level, again until tenants are found. But don't worry, I mean, I believe that they'll find tenants sooner or later. And they'll get built. It might take a little longer than usual, but they'll eventually be built. Again, so here's Tower 4 for World Trade Center. You can see the bulkhead steel right there. And here's a straightforward look at One World Trade Center. Right there is the Vehicle Security and Screening Center, also making progress. I'm now standing at West Street and Liberty Street. Here's a somewhat better look at that steel for Tower 3 World Trade Center. Last time I was here, there was only a few beams. Now the whole front end of the podium is really starting to take shape here. Still a lot to do, but it's something. All this here is Tower 3. Here's One World Trade Center. And it looks like this row of glass here is being filled in. If you look at One World Trade Center right here, I'm seeing a whole reflection of the sky here. So I guess if you wanted to look at it this way, these buildings, I guess, kind of look like giant mirrors. Alright, I'm gonna go into the World Financial Center. I'm gonna see if I can get a somewhat better look at Tower 3's steel. Again, a lot of progress has been made on all the buildings. It's very impressive. Hopefully a 10 will be found soon and 3 can continue without stopping. Same for Tower 2. Okay, I'm inside the bridge of the World Financial Center. Again, I'm going to try to get a somewhat better look at Tower 3. I really can't guarantee it, but I'm going to do the best I can here. Right there is Tower 3, the base. Here's the memorial.